So it's a brand new month, which means that it's time to update and to buy our YouTube portfolio once again. Though the market hasn't been in our favor the last few months, this month it seems to be slightly better, and we have also done some tweaks in our portfolio thanks to the feedback from a Discord member, Darshan. Thank you guys so much, and his feedback was about holding a stable coin during a downward trending phase. So let's take a look what we changed in our portfolio. Hi, my name is Jordan and welcome to the channel. So if you are new, this is a series where I put my own money into the crypto space, creating a YouTube portfolio that all of you can use as a reference point if you are looking to invest into cryptocurrencies. So we started this portfolio back in November or December 2020 with the hopes of investing $1,000 a month into the top cryptocurrencies based on market capitalization. And why I did this is because it's easier to track the top 10 cryptocurrencies rather than picking small cap cryptos that can probably give huge returns. But with this approach, it makes things easy for others with little investing knowledge to understand, and at the same time, we are sort of creating a crypto ETF. So in the last month, many things have changed and crypto really took a huge beating, with more than $700 billion being wiped away from the market capitalization. What this means is that $700 billion worth of cryptocurrencies was sold, and this money was transferred out of the market into other stuff, or maybe even other assets. But for long-term investors, this shouldn't make us sweat too much, because when such a sell-off happens or comes around, it means that there's a buying opportunity for us to enter the market and to get some tokens at really low prices. So on December 29, we bought roughly $100 worth of Bitcoin at $49,989 per Bitcoin, which came up to 0.0021. But in January, when we did our purchase again, we bought the very same $100 worth of Bitcoin, but we got more. So in January, we got a total of 0.0255 BTC, which is 20% more Bitcoin than what we purchased in December. So this over here is the effect of dollar cost averaging, where you purchase regardless of price moving up or moving down. But you still continue on your long-term strategy, and because we are doing it consistently, our current purchase price of Bitcoin is at $44,204.01, which is probably 1.4% down from the current price of Bitcoin as of recording. So most of our coins in our portfolio are still sitting in the red except for Solana and XRP. Solana currently has the largest dip at almost 30% and is the biggest loser in our portfolio due to a hack that happened on a project called Wormhole. So the Wormhole bridge is a bridging service that allows users to bridge Ethereum-based assets into Solana chain as a wrap asset to be used on DeFi projects on the Solana chain or vice versa. And when the bridge got hacked, they lost 120,000 wrapped ETH, which was roughly worth $320 million. And when this happened, people lost confidence and a sell-off started, which led to the price of Solana tumbling down. XRP, on the other hand, is doing pretty well and is the only winner in our portfolio with 1% in the green. But majority of the tokens are still in the red. So for the month of February, I did some tweaks as mentioned and purchased via crypto.com, the exchange, instead of the app directly, because on the exchange I'm able to pay my trading fees with CRO that I'm earning on a daily basis by staking 10,000 CROs on the exchange, which means I get more bang for my buck, or literally I don't pay for my trading fees in some sense. So the other thing we did is to utilize most of the USDT that we have been holding in our earn account to purchase more cryptos, because during a downward trend, it might be a better bet than earning 8% APY in USDT. But at the same time, I also kept a minimum of 25 USDT in the earn account so we can continue to earn some small interest, and hopefully we can use this small interest in the future to reinvest into our portfolio, and hopefully we can reach 100,000 by the end of the year. I've also mentioned this multiple times in my video that if you're already buying cryptocurrencies, you should always put them into earn accounts, because it will enable you to earn additional interest, and this will allow you to grow your money at a much faster rate instead of letting it sit around and doing nothing much.
What are you doing here?
Nothing much.
So with the earn account, we also did a little bit of changes here. So we went into a 1 month lock because it will double the interest that we are earning. And to be honest, there is no need for a flexible term deposit at this point in time for us, because we are not going to be cashing out anytime soon. And we didn't go with the 3 months lock because if we were to do so, we will not be able to compound our tokens on a monthly basis, which isn't very helpful to us because there is a minimum amount required to start or to get started with the Earn program. And at this point of time, not all our tokens are able to leverage on the Earn program, but as we continue doing our monthly purchases, we'll be able to do so very quickly. So right now in our Earn program, we got 26 USDT, which gives us a 8% APY. We have 551 XRP, giving us a 2% APY, 0.0099 BTC at a 4.5% APY, 342 ADA at a 2% APY, 6.44 Luna at a 2% APY, 18.39 DOT at a 10% APY, which is really amazing because the official DOT wallet gives us a 12% APY, but over here you're getting 10 without having to own 120 DOT, which is a minimum requirement for the official wallet. And we have 2,123 Doge at a 2% APY and 3.08 Solana at a 3% APY. So all these numbers might seem very small right now, but if you view them as a collective, this is what we'll be getting. So at the end of 1 month, we'll be getting roughly 1 XRP, which is 80 cents at today's prices. We'll be getting 0.00003432 BTC or $1.46, 0.5 ADA or 50 cents, 0.0096 Luna or 52 cents, 0.14 DOT or $2.70, 3.25 Doge or 45 cents, and 0.0068 Solana or 68 cents. So in total, just by holding all these tokens in the Earn program, our portfolio will be earning an extra $7.11 every single month. And this amount will be compounded back into next month's purchases, which will snowball even more from there on. And if we look at it from just earning $7.11 per month on a $4,000 portfolio, the yield is roughly 2.13%. And if it's counted in simple interest, this will give us roughly $86 a year just by holding these tokens. But do keep in mind that we do have to factor in the volatility of the token prices, which can go up or down at any point of time, and this is what we are betting on. So if you're on crypto.com, do remember to use the Earn function to earn extra cryptocurrencies. And if you're looking for an exchange to start, I've left links in the description down below where you can get started with my favorite exchanges. So if you haven't done so, do drop a like, subscribe, turn on the notifications to get the latest updates on the new videos that I post. And if you want, I've left a link in the description down below where you can check out the YouTube portfolio. And I'll see you in the next video.